Where is the president of Nigeria, Bola Tinubu? Nigerians lambast presidency for keeping mute on leader absent without official leave. The silence of the Nigerian presidency about the President Bola Tinubu's unofficial trip to France has revived raging debates over concerns and secrecy of the president's state of health. Remember that on Thursday, exclusively, I reported that Tinubu's unannounced trip to Paris, France, in what multiple sources confirmed was for medical reason. Some persons said that the president is in France to see his doctor. An investigation by our news correspondents had revealed that a Nigerian presidential aircraft, a Gulfstream Aerospace GVSPG 550 with registration number 5NGW and serial number 5310, model S064F2, with Tinubu on board, arriving at Paris Airport de Bourget, France, around 4:00 p.m. on Thursday from an airport in London. The president on Thursday morning left Saudi Arabia, where he attended the World Economic Forum for London. A statement issued last week by the special advisor to the president on media and publicity, Ajuri Ngelande, said the special World Economic Forum meeting in Riyadh would on Monday, April 29 end. After his engagement in the Netherlands, President Tinubu will proceed to attend a special World Economic Forum WEF meeting scheduled for April 28 to 29 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the statement had read. Meanwhile, the statement, the presidency carefully left out information about when Tinubu was expected to be back in Nigeria after the international forum, or that he would visit the UK or France after leaving Saudi Arabia. Also, the presidency has been silent on President Tinubu's whereabouts since the international summit ended on Monday, April 29. Efforts to reach Mr. Bayo Onanuga, special advisor to the president on information and strategy, for comments and clarification failed, as he did not answer calls from our news correspondents. He also did not reply to messages sent to his mobile phone. Well, we don't know what he's really hiding. Again, our news correspondents learned that the 5NFGW Gulfstream Aerospace, which was operated as Nigerian Air Force One, meaning the president was on board, left Riyadh International Airport on Tuesday, April 30th at 12:05 a.m., 12:05 Saudi Arabian time, and arrived at Stansted Airport, London at 6:35 a.m. UK time. The jet was used to replace the Boeing business jet Boeing 737 that is still in Germany for repairs. Meanwhile, some Nigerians have taken over the social media to demand the whereabouts of Tinubu, who has not been seen in the public since he met with Microsoft founder and philanthropist Bill Gates at the World Economic Forum special meeting in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, last Sunday, April 28. The president, who was supposed to make a public address to Nigerian civil servants on May 1st Workers' Day, was nowhere in sight. Also, the president didn't attend the last Federal Executive Council FEC meeting. Recently, the Vice President Kashim Shettima has been attending and taking charge in so many occasions where Tinubu himself should have shown up. Now the Vice President is acting as the acting president of Nigeria. Meanwhile, some Nigerians have declared the president's absence without official leave as unlawful. They wondered why Tinubu has refused to return to Nigeria after the World Economic Forum meeting ended in Saudi Arabia on Monday. Some of them who took to the social media platform X, formerly Twitter, said, "This one is from Paul Ibe," at official Paul Ibe said, "The whereabouts of Nigerian president must never be a subject of speculation. If Tinubu is in France for medicals, as reported by Al-Shara reporters or elsewhere, Nigerians deserve to know. After all, he is our property and he is spending the state resources." Now, this is another one from Dao Sheshi at Mr. GEO01 wrote, "The citizens must be allowed to know the status of their president and his medical condition. Every citizen is entitled to lead the nation, but it will be wrong for the president to be under serious medical need and keep that hidden from the citizen. We can't keep staying in dark." This one is from Abayomi at the Bazil. He said, "The president has been AWOL for a week. This is what you people fought for, what you destroy friendships and community for. The more things change, the more they stay the same. Another one from Chidie at Gentle Chidie wrote, this is why there was no address on Workers' Day. Another one from Rati BWO at Dombende wrote, who knew our president has been away for a week? 8 Wonders of the World at Gabriel Onyebo 10 wrote, I build Lagos, don't run, go hide for France for medical reasons. They know they build hospital for Lagos, Ndingbu. Well, Thomas Sankara also wrote at Isidoro 0001. He said, we knew he is away for medical checks up. This is no news, rather I pattern. Another one from Ajagun Segun wrote, for whatever reason, if Nigerians continue to allow political office holders to travel abroad for medical treatment or send their children to foreign university etc., meaningful development in both sectors will be impossible. Well, so many Nigerians continue to react all these things. Before the 2023 general elections, Tinubu's health was a source of concern for many Nigerians. Shara reporters had reported how the former Lagos governor spent over 4 months patronizing hospitals in France, in the United States and the United Kingdom, where he underwent several surgeries between 2020 and 2022. He was flown out of the country some days before Christmas in 2020 to Paris, France. The president returned to Nigeria on January 24, 2021, after a month's absence from Nigeria. He also went for a medical checkup in France in June 2021 and was conspicuously absent from a one-day walking visit of then President Muhammadu Buhari to Lagos State. Tinubu, amidst death rumors, was forced to return to the country on Tuesday, June 15, 2021. Shara reporters also reported that Tinubu was hospitalized in Maryland, the United States, in July 2021. On August 9, the APC leader had another knee surgery at the Johns Hopkins University Hospital in Maryland, United States. The APC chieftain, it was learned, left the US for the United Kingdom on the crutches a few days after the surgery. Sources close to Tinubu had told Shara reporters that he wanted the surgery in Paris, France, but changed his plan over rumors of his death. In August, his predecessor, President Buhari, paid a visit to Tinubu in London, and the latter was seen with a walking stick during Buhari's visit, confirming Shara reporter's story that he had undergone surgery in the United States. Upon his return in October 2020, Tinubu confirmed that he underwent surgery on his knee, as well as post-surgery physiotherapy on the said knee during the medical trip abroad. Shara reporters also reported how the president, after May 29, 2023 swearing in, became exhausted and went on a bed rest. Shara reporters also exclusively reported that Tinubu returned to France to see his doctor weeks before his inauguration on May 29. All these stories is making Nigerians to ask so many questions. Where is Bola Ahmed Tinubu? As I reported earlier, it's not bad that Tinubu went for medical treatment because anyone could be sick. But Nigerians are raising concerns over 2 situations. One, the president don't have right as a president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to go out of the country to medical treatment without informing the citizens. It is illegal. Secondly, people are saying, why won't President Tinubu have a hospital or build a hospital in Nigeria where he can be going for treatment over time? These are the 2 major concerns of the people. Let me know your own concern about this. I am Okocha Marcel. Please kindly share this video, subscribe to this channel, and always come by for daily updates.